This is thermal ICS6000 instrument. Right now it is installation thermal column. And we will replace to shine column. This is shine SHAPE column. This column used for the determination of conventional anions, disinfection byproducts, etc. Firstly, we remove the original column. Remove the guard column and the analysis column. Install the guard column first. Pay attention to the direction of flow. Then install the analysis column. Pay attention to the direction of flow. This is inlet. OK, put inside the thermostat. The replacement is complete, and the sample can be analyzed according to Shine's chromatographic column report setting conditions.